Hey guys, welcome back. This is Prem from English Guru Academy, and last time I had made a video on how to make tea. You can watch it on YouTube, and this time I'm going to tell you the meaning of words which are used while making chapati. So let's go into the kitchen. Let's start it. Guys, we use wheat flour for making chapati. Wheat flour means gavache pit. Then we will have to add some water and salt. Then we have to knead the flour. नीड म्हणजे कणिक मळणे आणि ज्यामध्ये आपण कणिक मळतो त्याला नीडिंग प्लेट म्हणतात. नीडिंग झाल्यानंतर जे बनते त्याला डो म्हणतात. DOUGH. दिस इज कॉल्ड डो in English. So now the dough is ready. Now take rolling pin and base. Rolling pin and base म्हणजे पोळपाट आणि लाटणे. Now take dough and roll out dough. Roll out म्हणजे लाटणे. Now make a beautiful circle and bake it on the pan. Pan म्हणजे तवा. Bake it from both sides. Then put it in chapati basket. This is chapati basket. We call it chapati basket. So one more thing is that we can use other words instead of chapati. These are bread and roti. So guys, our chapati is ready. Enjoy it, and if you want any video on something like this, please comment below. I will make video on it. Thank you for watching.